Good evening, fellow travelers. Just Jeremiah here at my homestead. Man, I'm starting to get more and more stuff. I could never have gotten it all at once, but I've got the raised Intex queen size deluxe Durabeam, not slanting air mattress with the comforter. It's memory pillows. I've got my big chair. Today I got my camp stove set, which I'll be using to boil water for my showers then. It's kind of a mess. I just got back from shopping, so stuff's cluttered everywhere. Don't mind the mess. But yeah, so I just got, I didn't feel like going to town cooking crazy today, so I got one of these. It's actually really good. It's $8 at Walmart. Sorry, I know, Walmart. Oh my gosh, I know. I'm sure the same types of people don't run the other places. That's the snark. So yeah, I'm sauteing half pound of cremini mushrooms. I'm gonna add this chicken carbonara mix. That way I got some they're minerals in the mushrooms? I don't know. They're fucking good though. Got some real stuff and then the produce stuff. Not the healthiest today. I had ramen for lunch. I've been eating at my job because we get a $5 meal and it's good food. So I've basically just been eating there. Pretty healthy too. Like a salad with some chicken or something. Yeah, I'm really happy. I feel really blessed. I've got my campsite going next. All I need now is there's a 4x6 foot throw rug. I'm gonna get, a rug. I'm gonna get a doormat. I'm gonna get, I got my mirror too. Check this out. Is it kind of funny? Let's see. Then I got my mirror at my campsite outside. That's super exciting to me though. Alright, cool. That's my story. I just hadn't been doing that much. I don't want to just go on about work. Tomorrow's going to be the day I go out and try to find that second job I want. Keep me busy. At the worst, it'll give me some leverage to actually get the double shifts I want at my job that I'm at now, Currents. So yeah, I'm going to cook food and I'm going to eat it. And I love you so much. Good night. I'll show you how cool things are when I'm done setting up. You'll like it.